Bitcoin explained. How does it really work? In recent years, Bitcoin has become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market. But how does it actually work? This video will provide an explanation of Bitcoin, from how it is created and exchanged to the various ways it can be used. By the end of this post, you should have a better understanding of how Bitcoin works and why it has become so popular. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that was invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It operates on a technology called blockchain, which is a public ledger of all transactions made with Bitcoin. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin is not controlled by any central authority, such as a government or financial institution. It is created through a process called mining, where powerful computers solve complex mathematical problems to validate and record transactions. Bitcoin can be used to make online purchases, transfer funds, and even as an investment. The blockchain technology. The blockchain technology is the underlying technology behind Bitcoin. It is a decentralized and transparent system that securely records and verifies every transaction made with Bitcoin. The blockchain is a digital ledger that is maintained by a network of computers, known as nodes, that work together to validate and add new transactions to the chain. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or tampered with, ensuring the integrity and security of the Bitcoin network. This technology has revolutionized the way transactions are conducted, providing a decentralized and efficient alternative to traditional financial systems. How are Bitcoins created? Bitcoins are created through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, which validate and record transactions on the blockchain. As a reward for their efforts, miners are awarded newly created Bitcoins. This process ensures the integrity and security of the Bitcoin network, as transactions cannot be altered or tampered with once they are added to the blockchain. The supply of Bitcoins is limited, with a maximum of 21 million Bitcoins that can ever be created. This scarcity has contributed to the value and popularity of Bitcoin as a digital currency. Mining for Bitcoins. Mining for Bitcoins is the process by which new Bitcoins are created and transactions are validated. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, known as mining algorithms, in order to secure the Bitcoin network. The miners compete against each other to find the solution, and the first miner to solve the problem is rewarded with a certain amount of newly minted Bitcoins. This process ensures the security and integrity of the Bitcoin network, as it prevents double spending and ensures that all transactions are valid and recorded on the blockchain. Transacting with Bitcoin. Transacting with Bitcoin is a simple and efficient process. Using a Bitcoin wallet, users can send and receive Bitcoin to anyone in the world, instantly and with minimal fees. Transactions are conducted using unique cryptographic codes that ensure the security and privacy of the parties involved. Unlike traditional banking systems, Bitcoin transactions are not subject to intermediaries, such as banks or credit card companies, which can result in faster and more cost-effective transactions. Bitcoin can be used for online purchases, transferring funds internationally, and even as a store of value or investment. What'd you get from this video? Let us know in the comment box. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.